Here is how to create a WhatsApp link. Now, if you are on WhatsApp and you want to share your specific WhatsApp with someone else, so they can just tap on a link and get directly to messaging and calling you. I will show you how to do it. Now, the first step you can do is, if you are on in WhatsApp, unfortunately there is no way to get that link directly in the app. For whatever reason, they don't have a button that says share a link to your WhatsApp. However, you can't do it in here, but you can do it in any app that you can write a text or a basic URL. So I am going to open up a Note app. You can do this again in a text message, email, wherever you want, but what we are going to do is typing URL for WhatsApp. So first of all, you should notice that you can do it in any your WhatsApp app. So first of all, we should write http va.me/ and then you should write your exact number with using your world passcode. So basically I am from Ukraine. I should write, like in my country, full name of number. So it's a plus and code of my country and number. Then you should again write slash. Alright, but you should notice, you should here enter and write your phone number, exact your phone WhatsApp number. Again, and only WhatsApp number right here. And then tap on done. When you save it, your notes, you can basically tap on this specific link. I show you what happening. You just tap on it and it will open chat with you. As here you can see my number and you, and that means you can share this specific link to your chat on WhatsApp.